Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to present my recipe. Ingredients. The first ingredients are 1 salmon fillet, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cumin, and 1 yellow paprika. The next ingredients are half teaspoon of pickling spice, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a little bit of pepper or black pepper, and yellow mustard. Preparation. Cut the salmon fillet in small slices. In a blender, mix the seasonings: 1 cup of water, 1 yellow paprika, 1/4 of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. In a bowl, marinate the salmon fillet with the rest of seasonings. Add the mix you blended and leave the salmon marinate during 4 hours in the fridge. After that 4 hours, take the salmon out of the fridge. Place salmon slices in aluminum foil and fold the aluminum foil in small pockets. After that, put them into the oven for 15 minutes. Last, serve and enjoy. This was the salmon buckets of Manuel Mantilla.